What's up, guys? I just got a brand new truck and I wanted to give you guys a quick walk around. So I got my helmet on and I figured, hey, just walk around it. I took some pictures, so I'll be showing pictures as I walk around it. But I just wanted to show you, this is the new Z Garage vehicle. So this is what I'm going to be using to haul the bikes and stuff like that. But I just got it. It is a Quicksand color and I've had it for about a month now. I absolutely love this thing. The wheels are perfect on it. They're, you know, stock, but they're not plain. So I like that. Definitely want to change the chrome logos on it. So that is something. So there's going to be a couple videos coming out about this truck modification stuff, but not much. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Just to kind of give you guys a walk around first. I did go with the full-wheel drive version of it, or the off-road version of it. And that does include the black fender flare pieces right here and the specific wheels and tires that are on it. I really liked this version. I actually drove the TRD Sport and it felt so much like a car that I didn't even want to drive it. It was boring. So, but it is a double cab short bed as well. So the bikes are going to be able to fit in, but you do have to put the tailgate down. But it is a easy drop tailgate, so that is really nice. I love that feature. I've had that on my dad's Toyota Tundra and I loved it, so I wanted this again. I already got a mat in the back of it just to kind of protect it. It's actually pretty decent quality. I recommend getting it just before you you know, wash your truck or whatever. And then this kind of stuff, when it gets wet, it's just so slick. I mean, it's scary. So, you know, an easy you know, fall right there. So, but it's got little cubby holes in both sides, not super big, but just enough to put some bungee cords in maybe, or whatever, little tie downs. And then you also have tie downs that are adjustable up here. If you've never seen that design that Toyota does, it's really nice. You just basically unscrew it and move them down, so that's really nice. You got tie downs right here, and then you got two tie downs at the front. If you can see those are the silver ones. Now I do need to get a bar for the front because there's nowhere to tie the bikes, because I'll have two. There's nowhere to tie it down in the middle, so I will be getting a bar to put there. So that's another video. My version does have these LED lights. I highly recommend getting those, or getting some kind of lighting in the back. It's really nice though. Simple switch inside. I'll show you that later. But really nice. The tail lights are a little plain to me, but it'll be all right. You know, there's little things that I do, you know, like about this truck, and there's things that I kind of wish are a little different. But you know, I'll just deal with it the way it is. And now we got the chrome on the back. Again, these are kind of like the logos. I do want to paint those black. Probably just plastic dip them before I get new logos and all that kind of stuff. So that's something else to add to the list. But yeah, just walking around the truck. Just the basic Quicksand color. I love the way the truck looks stock. You don't have to lift it to make it look good. You know, obviously if you lift it, it'll look cooler, but you know, it's fine the way it is. Very simple design. That's one reason I love this truck. It even has the turn signal indicators right here on the mirrors as well. So little touches like that I really did love about this truck. One thing that I do need to upgrade is the headlights. These headlights, they're projectors, but they do have a normal bulb for the headlight. So I'm going to be getting an LED that'll be coming in next year. I think I got it on pre-order, but those are just not that bright. So I highly recommend, if you are looking at a truck like this, to get some kind of LED. And then also, speaking of LED, I have the LED fog lights right here. They're actually pretty nice. They actually put out a decent amount of light, and honestly, when I turn off the fog lights and just have the headlights, it is a huge difference. So highly recommend getting something better, whether you stick with the stock fogs and just get LED fogs, or get that package. That package is really nice though, since it's got the LEDs around the outside for the daytime running lights, so that's nice. Now this grille is another thing I do want to change. The chrome around it, and it, you know, I thought it was chrome at first, but it's kind of like a gray kind of tint. I don't know, I just don't like it. I just don't like it. That's pretty much it. But I'm probably going to get a black one to replace it, or I'll be painting that one black. But yeah, I'm absolutely loving the truck. I've had it for, like I said, about a month now. Just showing you some of the inside. Here's the back seat. So, you know, not the most room in the world, but, you know, it's plenty. I've had some people in the back and they haven't been complaining like crazy, so that's nice. There is storage up under the seat as well, so you can open that up and you have storage. You also have storage on the back right here, so can't leave home without a battery charger thing and to jumpstart your battery, and a thing to pump up your tires in case you get a flat. So, but yeah, just really nicely made, simple stuff, and that's on both sides. I got pictures of all that. So mine did come with all weather floor mats, so that was nice. Toyota makes some and they're not so thick or so bulky as the WeatherTech ones are, so that's nice. Only thing I would say is the passenger one does move. There's nothing that really locks it in, so that does suck. But yeah, showing you the front seat. So here's what I was talking about just for a second about how it locks in so it doesn't move. So the passenger side doesn't have that, so that is something that I want to address later on down the road. Some really nice simple controls. I've already got used to them pretty quickly, so that's nice. These vents were actually the same vents I had in my Scion FRS. They turn and do everything. Man, I love these vents. Like, such a small feature, but I do love them. Here is the switch for the backlight, so you can have it on just the door or on or off. I just have it off, and then when you click on, obviously it is kind of light out right now, but you can see the LED is on, and this little small LED comes up on the top as well. So not too much light, but just enough. Maybe add some more lights later on down the road, but for now it's more than most trucks like this come with stock. Now you do have a rear sliding window, which is in the back right there, if you could see that. Really nice feature as well, just in case you want to have your windows down and not have your hair going everywhere. You know, just kind of roll that down, and that, you know, creates a draft through the truck. But yeah, the steering wheel has all the buttons. It's very much like my car, but with extra stuff. So it's nothing too confusing. I do wish that the bottom seat portion here would, you know, tilt. It doesn't tilt. You can just go back and forward. This is a thing for your back. I forget what they call it, but it's like the back support. I just have it fully off. I don't even care. Then this right here just adjusts the back, but there's no way to adjust this. That would have been so nice, but you know, I've got used to it. The steering wheel is fully adjustable. You can go in, you can go out, you can go up, down, whatever. So that's nice. Stepping in the truck just for a minute, we got some nice controls right here, if you could see that. Oh man, just very simple. The speedometer does display where it does say door jar right now. Obviously the door is open. But yeah, the crawl control is up top, so if you're interested in the crawl control, you can look into that more and, you know, other videos and stuff like that. But haven't really used it yet, to be honest, but you know, it's a nice feature. You got the push button start, so that's nice. You got the four-wheel drive, you got all your AC controls. Everything's kind of together. Everything looks really neat. The radio on this is really nice. I'm not even sure what radios you can get. This might be the only one, but man, it's a nice radio. I mean, it's not irritating to work with or anything like that. Got vents to go away across. Some speakers. Speakers are pretty nice. I know they have I think it's like $3,000 to upgrade the speaker system. Wasn't worth it to me. Then we do have the this ECT power is supposed to give the truck more power, and apparently it's in eco mode if you're not. Haven't really tested that out a whole lot. I hit it and launched it, and I was like, you know, it's a truck. So you do have wireless charging, so you can click that button, and this pad down here is a wireless charging station. So that's something that's nice. You got USB and auxiliary, and then cigarette lighters, and yeah, the shifter is very nice. It looks kind of like a stick shift, so kind of nice coming from a stick shift car. The glove box to me is not well made. They have this like bar thing in the middle, and you can barely put anything in it, and every time you open it, it's so level that everything just falls out. So come on, Toyota, you could have came out with, look, see, you could have came up with something better than that. If it was just on a little angle. So, but you know, you can't complain about everything. And then this right here, it doesn't have much space, but it just enough to put in the essential stuff. Now, cup holders, there is cup holders galore. There's, you know, I don't even know how many. There's a lot of cup holders. I'm going to count them and put a number up in the video, but there's a lot of cup holders. Now, one thing that's kind of funny, just because I make videos and stuff like that, there is a GoPro mount here, so that's kind of funny, and I'll probably end up honestly using it as long as this doesn't get in the shot, but we'll try it out and see what happens. Now, these lights are going to be changed to LED. I do not want these lights right here. I've already got the LED lights, just haven't had a chance to put them in, but definitely want some LEDs there just to look a little better and get a little more light. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I've kind of tried to go over the truck as much as I could. It is a joy driving. It's very smooth. There's no complaints there. You gotta love it. It is a nice, simple little truck. I mean, the price isn't stupid, but it's pretty stupid. So, but if you guys are looking for a nice truck for the money compared to everything else, especially, I've looked at all kinds of trucks that were in this kind of price range, and really there was only the Nissan Frontier, the Honda Ridgeline, and this, and then there's obviously the Silverado F-150 and all those, but those are so expensive, and this is kind of in between. So, but for a nice little small truck, you couldn't go wrong with the Toyota Tacoma. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment and I will try to get back to you about it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more videos. Like, subscribe. There's going to be more videos on this truck installing things. I know I'm going to do the thing for the bikes in the back, that way you can tie them down. We're going to be painting some stuff black if you guys want to see what that looks like, and then changing out the grill, and then we're going to keep going. So but anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe. Take it easy, guys.